Myntra Beauty fam, welcome back to Myntra's YouTube channel. I'm Ritu Singh and I'm a beauty influencer. So today I'm going to give a quick makeover to my mom on the occasion of Mother's Day. Mom, say hi to the camera. Hi. So I'm going to give this cute face a quick makeover, and also you can recreate this look by all the products mentioned in the description down below, and all the products are available on Myntra app, which is your one-stop destination for all your beauty needs. So without any further ado, let's get started.
So I'm starting with the prep up. So it's really important to prep your skin, and for that I'm using Nivea soft moisturizing cream. It helps in making your skin super hydrated, followed by Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. It blurs all your open pores and gives you a very smooth canvas. It's really important to apply primer if you want your makeup to stay a longer. Then going forward with the OG matte poreless foundation from Maybelline. I love how it gives that natural matte finish to your skin very perfectly. And then I'm using Forever 52 Complete Coverage Concealer in the shade 003 for my mother, and now applying it on all the high points to highlight her face. It blends so smoothly and gives you a dream finish, and look at it. So we took a water break. She was complaining ki how much time it takes to do a makeup, so I thought let's take a water break and let's take a chill pill. Now moving forward, I am setting her base with Maybelline Fit Me Oil Control Compact. So what I feel when we do makeup on aged skin, it's really important to set their base, and for that do not use loose powder because it might get stuck to their lines or the wrinkles. So rather go for the compact powder. And now I'm using Wet n Wild contouring palette. I absolutely love this shade. It's very pigmented and give you that warm healthy suntan effect rather than making your face dark or dusky. I absolutely love that it's not too powdery and gets blended to your skin really well. Now adding some flush of color to her, and for that I am using PAC Spotlight blush. I love the packaging and I love the pigmentation as well. Now patting the blush on the apple of her cheeks. My mom has the cutest cheeks, and look at it, how cute she looks while smiling. So I asked her to keep smiling throughout the blush process. Now I'm using PAC Luminous Weightless Baked Highlighter, but between that it's really important to talk, right? So we are doing a quick gossip session, and now getting back to the work, applying highlighter. So always avoid lots of highlighter on aged skin. Just give it a very seamless finish or very light highlight to your moms, because aged skin pe chunky highlighter doesn't look good. Now we were seeing reels in between, and uske baad we took a selfie because she was looking cutest, and I thought of taking a selfie. And then coming back to work again, I am using Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Mini Palette for her eyes, keeping her eye look very simple because she has folds and creases on her eyelids, and I'm avoiding a heavy eye makeup on her eyelids. So I'm just applying the transition color, a warm transition color for the base, and then topping it with the light champagne shimmer shade, and that too I'm using with my finger and tapping it all over her lid, and then using the black eyeshadow to give her the eyeliner effect. I don't want to make her eyes look very black or dark, so that is why I'm using just a black eyeshadow just to give that smokiness to her eye look. And yeah, that's it. I think this looks pretty good. Now completing the whole look with the lipstick. I think lipstick is the star of the whole makeup. Until and unless you put a lipstick, your makeup isn't complete and it doesn't look good at all. So I'm using Wet n Wild Catsuit Liquid Matte Lipstick, and now fixing her makeup so that it stays for a long time. And that's it. I did this makeover and I'm super excited to see her final look. Just cleaning her teeth after the lipstick and then seeing her on the screen, that how she looks. So this is the final look, and voila, she looks so pretty, so classy, so subtle, and oh my gosh, she looks absolutely gorgeous. Look at her. You have to comment down below and let us know that how she looks, how's her makeover and what's the final look, how did you like it. So wishing you all from this duo a very happy Mother's Day.
You can get your hands on all of these products from Myntra app, and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to Myntra's YouTube channel. Till then, bye bye.